Your attention, please. The 15:59 Metro service to Stepford UFC.
We are now approaching Four Ways. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Train and the platform. We are now approaching Stepford Central. Change here for services to Stepford Victoria. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This train is formed of 6 coaches.
This station
The
is
train now standing
Stepford
at
Central.
platform 1 is
This
the
train is
15:53 Stepford Express,
The next
service
station will
to
be
Lynn
City
by the
Hospital.
Sea via Benton. Calling at Benton, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, West Wyvern, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Your attention, please. The 15:55 service from Airport Terminal 2 has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now standing at platform 5 is the 15:54 Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, and Morganstown. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The 15:46 Metro service to Stepford Victoria is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform D for the 15:46 Metro service to
This
Stepford
station
Victoria.
is Stepford
Calling at
Central.
Welcome
City
on board
Hospital,
this
This
Stepford
train
Express
Financial
service
Quarter,
to
Stepford
Lynn by the
Victoria.
Sea.
Stepford Victoria.
We
The
will
next
call
station
at
This
will be
train is
Benton,
formed
City
of
Hospital.
6
Leighton
coaches.
Stepford Road, Leighton City, West Wyvern, and Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be
Platform
Benton.
11 for the 15:54 Stepford Connect service
Welcome
to
on board this Stepford Connect
Victoria.
service to Morganstown.
Financial
We will be calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge,
This train
Ellesmere
terminates
Junction,
here. All
Berrily,
change, please.
and Morganstown. The next station is Stepford East. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Change here for services to Stepford UFC. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Berrily and Morganstown. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Your attention, please.
This is Stepford
03
East.
Stepford Connect.
This
Service
train
to
is for
Stepford
Morganstown.
Central has been cancelled.
The next station is
This is due
St.
to
Helens
a member
Bridge.
of the train crew being unavailable. Platform D for the 5055 Metro service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at 4 ways. Stepford Central.
Come on board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next station is
Right.
St. Helens Bridge.
Please.
We will shortly be arriving at St. Helens Bridge. Change here for services to Barton. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And Morganstown. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is St. Helens Bridge. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Ellesmere Junction. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next station is Ellesmere Junction. We will shortly be arriving at Ellesmere Junction. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
1600 Stepford Connect. Service to Morganstown. Calling at Berrily and Morganstown. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is Ellesmere Junction. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Berrily. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next station is Berrily. We will shortly be arriving at Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Connect, service to Morganstown. Calling at Morganstown only. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is Berrily. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Morganstown. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next station is Morganstown. We will shortly be arriving at Morganstown. Change here for services to Newry. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Morganstown. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.